everyone, this is your friend Tarot Card Reader Prajakta Patil, and today we are here to do your weekly Tarot Card reading starting from 14th of December 2020 till 28th of December 2020. And yes, I haven't forgotten anything about the yearly spread. I'll be doing it next week, of course, okay, so that you will get a clear idea about how 2021 is going to be for you overall, because we will be doing the spread in case of each and every month in 2021. Okay, so you will know all the challenges or the happy moments that you will be facing in the next year, and you will be ready according to those, right? Okay, so now we will start with our weekly readings. Let's do it. Okay, so we have got such lovely cards. Okay, now we will start with the first aspect, which is the love relationships. So yes, we have got this lovely card, Ace of Cups, right? So when we talk about Ace of Cups, in case of the love relationships, uh, you are going to have some financial freedom. Of course, the stuck money that was not coming into your hands, it is going to come very easily this week, so don't worry about that stuck money. Okay, also I feel that your loved ones are going to gift you something very surprisingly, and you're going to love it, because the thing that you are going to get as a gift, it is going to be your favorite thing that you are wanting for long. Okay, so be ready for that. Okay, also this beautiful card that we've got, surprisingly and not surprisingly, in the love relationship factor, romance. So yes, this week is going to be a romantic week for you all, so don't wait till the time comes wherein you will feel, okay, now I should spend time with my loved ones. No, this entire week is going to be so enjoyable for you all, that you will be spending your quality time with your loved ones. You will have a great time. You will gift something to your partner, and you will have that abundance, that prosperity, that financial freedom that you wanted. Okay, so for love relationships, this particular week is going to be the best for you. Okay, and now we will go to the career life. Okay, what I can see is all of you are going to have a very hectic schedule, right? What I feel is, most probably you will be a little bit stuck with the work that you've got, a project that you're working with on. And what I feel is, you sometimes you might feel that, I'm not having that work life balance, but don't worry about it. If you do manage your time accordingly and wisely, practically, you will get that balance. Okay, so don't worry about the efforts that you're putting in your work, because it will show, and it will give some positive feedbacks, which will be very helpful for you regarding your job prospects. Okay, it will be very good for your profile, so please don't hesitate for working a little bit extra. Don't worry about that. What I feel is, also whenever you will be having certain situations wherein you feel that I'm not able to take a proper decision about this situation, whatever your intuitions are telling you, go for it. Don't think second time, because the intuitions will be so high, so accurate, that whichever way you will be going according to your intuitions, it is going to be the correct path for you all. Okay, so don't worry about it. Now we will start with the family life. So yes, this is the card, Eight of Wands. Now this card represents that you will be having a lot of good news coming in. Okay, so the people who are waiting for, at least one thing should be positive for me this week, don't worry, you are going to have a lot of good news and say, gifts or rewards coming in from your family members. What I feel is, the people, the relatives, the loved ones for whom you were waiting for a longer period due to this COVID, I feel, they would give a surprise visit to you, and in a way you'll be having a good get together, and you'll be having a informal meet at your family, in your family, within your family members. So yes, it is going to be a very good week for you all. So keep that excitement alive till you get all these rewards. Also, what I feel is, in case of your family matters wherein, you feel that kind of negativity, wherein, you feel that, nothing is going on the right path, I'm not getting any positive outputs, or I'm not getting any good news, or I'm just waiting for this particular thing to happen. So yes, remain positive because you are going to get this. Okay, so next week is going to be a very good week for all of you who are waiting for something good to happen in your family life. Okay, so yes, overall it is going to be a very positive week for you all. Please be positive in all the aspects, enjoy every moment of your life, because the moment will not come back, right? So please be happy, be blessed, stay blessed, and be positive about everything in life. Okay, and keep your childhood alive, keep the child in you alive. Okay, be happy. And I would just suggest that if you have any kind of confusion, or any problems in your life regarding anything in life, please WhatsApp me on 8451872244 for your tarot card sessions. Stay blessed.